If your MP3 shows a blank music icon in your player, you can embed proper cover art directly into the file. In this tutorial, I will add this original square artwork without uploading the audio to a media server. Open Add Cover Art to MP3 on AudioFetcher. The process runs locally in the browser. The audio and image remain on your device, and the temporary result disappears from browser memory when you refresh or close the page. First, choose the MP3. I am using the same original audio notes demonstration from the previous tutorial. The tool confirms the selected file and its size before processing begins. Next, choose a JPEG or PNG for the cover. Square artwork works best across music players. This example is 1600 by 1600 pixels. Avoid enormous image files because the artwork becomes part of the MP3 and increases its final size. Press Add Cover Art to MP3. The tool embeds the image as the front cover in the file metadata. It does not re-encode the audio, so the sound quality and duration remain unchanged. The completed MP3 is ready to download. The small increase from 6.9 to 7 megabytes is the embedded JPEG. If an older player still shows cached artwork, close and reopen the file or refresh that player's library. The finished file now contains an attached 1600 by 1600 JPEG cover. The direct tool link is in the description. You can also use AudioFetcher's metadata editor to set the title, artist, album, year, genre, and track number.